mara ke a le botsisa lo wa kgonehala na
Brendan Peterson. My heart breaks for this guy. He tried his best, had a wonderful season, and he gave his all. But unfortunately, his best was not enough to earn him a spot in the Bafana squad at the FIFA World Cup. Chin up, boy. Hambo Pumula. We have a crazy season ahead of us next season, and you'll be needed tremendously. Yeah, ne Hugo Bruce. Kodwa ke intando yakhe mayenzeke. Okugcina.
Ngiyipirates impela kodwa. Brendan Peterson is the current most informed goalkeeper in South Africa, so I don't understand what's the decision.
Peterson is not called up. Peterson, nah. What does Hugo Bros have against Kaizer Chiefs, guys? No ways. Don't get me wrong. I will be supporting every single player that will be representing Bafana at the World Cup, right? It's done. The names are put forward. The squad is selected. It's done. But Peterson deserved a call up. If it were up to me, it would be Peterson. It would be Chain. And it would be Ronwen Williams. But I wasn't really expecting him to call up that many Kaizer Chiefs players to begin with. I just wished he was an honest man. I really wish, because guys, bias aside, if you put your hate for Kaizer Chiefs aside as well, you would know that Peterson deserved to be called up.
I'm afraid. Hayi siyohleka ngoba kuyahleka noma kushoniwe kodwa hayi iqiniso lenziwanga lapha bafana iqiniso lenziwanga okumnandi ukuthi sonke siyalazi iqiniso nomlandeli wani uyalazi iqiniso bafana ba indaba kaBrendan Peterson beyingadingi nanokuthi izipolitike kuze kwazi ukuthi udlalelani noma ayidingi lutho nje becacele nobani kuyoba yikho ukuthi vele masifike into ezinje once oyedwa wethu simaqembu oyedwa wethu izinto zami esayidini lakhe noma zamvuna uyalikhohlwa iqiniso ngoba umsuke sejabulela ukuthi yena okwakhe ekhambe kahle kodwa ngokweqiniso nje sonke siyazi ukuthi lo nomunye umjida lapha ya akasideserve lesa sikhundla lesiya not in a bad way but siyazi ukuthi there is no way ukuthi uRicardo Goss better than Peterson. But ngoba sekwenzekile ayisekho into engenziwa usele khona ukuthi manje sihlukane ngokwendlela nje kuphela nakhona ngihlukanisa abantu ngihlukana mina kuphuma mina ngingedwa ngiyaphuma kule nto le ngizabona ngenza kanjani noma seningangigawula ngezembe ningihambisa nabahambayo nge88 akuyefana nje kodwa
niyabona le South African football ye-GNU i-bias and ine-hatred over Kaizer Chiefs players. Lonto leyo angeke sijikajike. I-South African football i-bias isafa eno Hugo Bruce and the technical team yakhe ba-bias. There is no one ongayaziyo ukuthi uPeterson uyayideserve i-call up yeBafana. There is no one ongayaziyo lonto leyo. I-call up yeBafana uyifumana based on i-performance. Hayi ukuthi uthandwa ngubani, hayi ukuthi wena uphila nobani, hayi ukuthi udlalele phi club. I-hatred over i-Kaizer Chiefs players asiyazi ukuthi isukaphi. Kanti i-Kaizer Chiefs yenzeni ku-South African football? Bafana sayisupporta just because of uCross. uCross aseyiplayer yethu. But akho umuntu ongayaziyo ukuthi uPeterson uyayideserve i-call up. Over bonke aba-goalkeeper abayi-3 babizweyo. Over bonke aba-goalkeeper babizweyo uPeterson uyideserve more. If ever i-criteria kuchuzwa based on i-performance, uPeterson bekumele achuzwe lapho. But Bafana sayisupporta singamakhosi just because of uCross.
Ninjani bafethu? Okay, ngizoqala ukuthi congratulations kubo bonke abadlali abakhethiwe ukuthi bosimela kwi-World Cup as a South Africa, siyababongela. Yo guys, ngiyaqala ukucomplaina mhlambe ngibe novo mangabe khetha squad. Yabo le yokuthi kusala uPeterson bafethu. I don't wanna lie, ngiziswa ubuhlungu guys. I'm sure imostien ibibona bafethu ukuthi uyakudeserve ukuhamba. Ngiyazi ukuthi abantu baziba nokuthi hayi kahle ngama game ambalwa, but guys le mina personally, because bengimruthela ukuthi ngiyafuna ahambe because ngimbonile ukuthi ubemiselela ukuthi yazini I want this, I want to go. And then wasala kama umuntu ongenela amagoli awu7 in one game. Okay, asikho lapho bafethu kulungile. Ayisho asibone ngendlela efanayo. Angifuni ukugxeka bani kodwa nje ngikushoyo ngithi uPeterson ubedeserve ukuhamba. I don't care ukuthi omunye umuntu uthini. Ilokho bengizokusho guys nje inhliziyo yamhlungu. I don't wanna lie. Yabo futhi benginemali Nkosi yami benginemali bezohanjiswa yimi personally ngithi hamba. It's it uyobukela noma uyokwenzani but just go. Hayibo yazi yamhlungu into.
Manje ngiyathika. Manje ngiyathika. Abo iphupho lami manje liyafezeka. Mina iphupho lami ngathi ngifisa ukuthi uThembazwane naye retire. A retire esitholile istar sebusu. Usolile istar ses2. Ngathi ngifuna ukuthi a retire edlalile iWorld Cup. uThembazwane ubiziwe umkhulu umbizile uyodlala iWorld Cup. Abode Williams bekajabule ngakhona nabebiza uThembazwane bekajabule njengami. Bekajabule bengiminyile. Yes, bengiminyile Themkhulu United Thembazwane. Ngathi ay ushishi kabala ukuthi nithini anginendaba angingene kusala uThembazwane uyodlala kuWorld Cup ukuthi ini yina I don't care yebo ngizwela nje uPeterson Nkosi yami ngiyamzwela because ayisho uperformile this season uperforme kakhulu bengitshela ukuthi bazombiswa kusho ukuthi isho ukudlalela iKaizer Chiefs but ngoThembazwane ngijabula ukufa.